Wait a minute. Pop Rocks and soda didn't kill Mikey, the Life cereal kid? What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. And it's that time of year, friends. That's right. It's Hawk's Nest time. Looks like they patched up the road. I had come up here like a month ago, and somehow I inadvertently zoomed in and was going to use the footage, and I was like, it looks like crap. I'll just come back when it's a little nicer. And it's nicer. If you're not familiar with Hawk's Nest, they film a lot of car commercials on this road, believe it or not, because of how scenic it is. See the Delaware River down there. Another month there'll be people rafting. Yeah, this road's a lot of fun. It's like a wider Storm King highway. Then if you go 30 minutes down the road, Cedar Rapids Bar and Grill. Oh yeah, they did do some work on this road. It probably got the crap kicked out of it after hell winter 2025 and 2026. Oof. Yeah, let me turn around. We'll get a look of the river. This is also a fun ride down here. Everything's turning green. It's friggin' beautiful. It's a Monday too, the trip up here. Holy crap, did I keep getting stuck in lane closures and people driving under the speed limit, street sweepers on the highway. If you don't know what a street sweeper is, it's literally a truck that sweeps and cleans the road, keeps it nice and tidy. If you like my videos, if you give the thumbs up or leave a comment, I appreciate it. Yeah, buddy. Make my videos on the 2025 Indian Challenger with the Power Plus 108, named the Midlife Crisis Mobile. That's right, all our videos are filmed in front of a live studio audience. This will all be green soon. All the mountains back there. The yellow plague is already all over my car. Pollen? Oh my God. Oh, mandatory nose itch incoming. Gotcha. Alright, let's turn around. Hopefully nobody's coming. Quality U-turnage, baby. This is Deer Park, New York. Put some miles on my ultimate seat. I'll probably wait till I have 1,000 miles. This just cracked 1,000 the other day. 1,127 miles on the Midlife Crisis Mobile. And it is a joy to ride, let me tell you, friends. And the vents in there, open and close. I did not know that, but now I do. Isn't learning fun, friends? Hoping the mufflers show up this week. I'll put them on Saturday and ride Sunday. This is literally, if you come down 23, you either have to go left or right, and you go left and you just stay on the road and it'll bring you right to Hawk's Nest. Pay attention to the speed limit, because they do sit around corners and wait for you. Slides. I didn't see any slides. There are slides into the river. Whew! Child, make you want to call your mama. Yeah, look at this scenery, huh? You will see dudes race through here on Groms. It's like the coolest friggin' thing ever. I like Groms. Majestic as F. Oh, good. Somebody was nice to leave their crap here and a pair of shoes. Don't you need your shoes for walk-ins? This is something else, huh? I didn't realize there was that many houses out there. You don't see this until it's all the leaves are off. If anyone's thirsty, there's a vitamin water here in 2 different boots. And just like that, we're leaving the nest of the hawk. There is some of the best riding up here. You literally go down this highway. You can cross over to 303 and take Milford Road, I think it was. Really curvy, nice road. Down to the Tiki Bar. You go to Romans. You go straight on this road a half hour. Cedar Rapids Bar and Grill. A couple other places I haven't tried yet. This place will be packed in the summer. What'd you guys think, huh? Pretty damn scenic, right? Perfect time of year to come up. You can see some sights you wouldn't normally see once all the leaves are out. But if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop my videos every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. I'll probably drop to Fridays once I can't ride anymore, depending on what's in the old footage chamber. But I thank you for giving up your free time to watch my videos, and I hope you'll come back again.